Question 17. Solve this system of two equations. 3x minus 2y is equal to 9 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. We use elimination method to solve this question. In the elimination method, our aim is to eliminate one of the variables from the system of equations. Let's choose eliminate y. In the first equation, the coefficient is y is negative 2, and in the second equation is negative 3. To make these coefficients opposites, we multiply the first equations by positive 3 and the second one by negative 2. So we get 9x minus 6y is equal to 27, and negative 4x plus 6y is equal to minus 2, negative 2. When we add these two equations, then we add these two equations together and we get 9x minus 4x is equal to 5x. We can cancel this negative 6y with positive 6y. And on the other side, 27 minus 2 is 25. We divide both sides of the equation by 5. I cancel this 5 with this 5, and x will be 25 over 5, or 25 divided by 5, which is 5. X is equal to 5. Now we replace x in one of the equations, let's say the first one, with 5, and then find y. So 3 times 5, x is 5, minus 2y is equal to 9. 3 times 5 is 15, minus 2y is equal to 9. We take 2y to other side and 9 to this side. So we have 16 minus 9 is equal to 2y. 16 minus 9 is 6, so 2y is equal to 6. I divide both sides by 2. And I get y is equal to 3. So the answer for this system of two equations are x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3.